Hi, I'm Susie Dingle. Today I'm visiting the garden of a friend. Her name is Sheila. I'd like to show you the water fountain that she's chosen for her garden and explain why I like it so much and why I think it works so well in her space. This fountain sits at the center of the garden. It's the first thing you see when you come in. It draws you in. And the sound, of course, is lovely. It's easy to think that this formal fountain is best used in a formal garden. However, if you use it in a garden that is a little bit more informal, like Sheila's garden, it can bring a lot of structure to the garden. I'd like to tell you why I love this fountain so much. It has different kinds of water movement in it. First, it has a little bubble at the top that comes up and then cascades down. And some birds like to drink specifically out of that bubble. Then the dripping that comes down, there's some that drips a little more slowly, and then there's some streams. Other kinds of birds like to fly through those streams of water or dripping water. Hummingbirds are famous for doing that. And then there's a couple of pools. One is more shallow than the other. And this, of course, attracts another kind of bird for getting in there and really doing the, washing up part. Thanks for joining us today. And until next time, I'll be dreaming of you in the garden. Bye.